Hi Roots, how's it going?
All right, man. How are you, Josh?
All right, mate.
What's happening this week?
Mother's Day.
Hey, it is Mother's Day. Well, it's not actually this week. It's in like 2 weeks' time. But we thought we'd do a Mother's Day menu for all the mums out there, so that they can have a day off where they can have CSONS at home because we've done all the hard work for you. So quite a classic week this week. I thought it would be apt for the event. So Josh, what have we got?
So starter-wise, we have got some delicious McNeil smoked salmon, some celeriac and apple remoulade or slaw. We've got some Shropshire microgreens, although these aren't, but like a Shropshire microgreen salad. Some sourdough that we make here, some never-end butter, and a lemon wedge. And that's that one.
Clean, simple, delicious.
Yep. Main course, we have got some mustard mash, roast chicken leg, some buttered carrots, and some purple sprouting broccoli with some bacon bits on, and then pretty tasty gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Ruben,
delicious.
Ruben, tell you about the pud.
And because it's Mother's Day, this is like Mum's classic recipe. It goes on our menu as See Mum's Lemon Yum. It's an old 70s recipe that Mum used to make us as kids, and we kind of adulterated it a little bit and put it on the restaurant menu from day one. So it's been with us for over 5 years. So we've got a ginger crumb or ginger biscuit that's been crumbed. Then you've got the lemon yum in the middle, a bit of extra lemon boost with our homemade lemon curd, and then it's just sprinkled with chocolate. So super clean, super simple, but uber delicious. Nice. For anyone that doesn't know, CSONS at Home provides all of this for you in meal kit form. You can order to anywhere in the country now, because we now do mail order via courier, so it's next day courier, and yeah, you can order and enjoy.
Yeah, and the meal kit should all be good till Sunday when you get them. So
that's it. So you'll get deliveries on Thursday or Friday, collections on Friday, but the food is good till Sunday night. Well done, Josh.
That's perfect for Mother's Day. That's what I mean.
Mother's Day, all the mums out there.